Ready? Go. I can't control it. Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, hari ni kita nak eksperimen sikit. Tu tunjuk tu apa? Bag apa tu?
It's an Airbus.
So Airbus is an aircraft ni. So it has something to do with flying. Let's give it a try.
That's cool.
So today we are at there's a park nearby. So we connect the power source and we assemble this. It's made from wood, so you gotta be careful a little bit not to break. A little bit fragile. Okay, remote is done. A little bit of assembly required for the battery space, battery position. Okay. Okay, almost ready. Set to go. Oh.
Oh no!
Oh.
I can't control it.
Biar dia hovering dulu. So cool.
Oh no!
So basically that's a short one. The battery died, so we're gonna go back and charge first, and then we'll come back maybe later for round 2.
2 hours later.
Okay, round 2. Round 2, dah charge battery. After charging the battery, let's take a look at how it goes.
Usually breaking stuff.
Open sikit.
Oh, it's windy.
Try. Oh. Oh. Bring it back.
It's so hard. I cannot.
Bring it back. It's running away from you.
I can't. I can't.
Put it down. Put it down.
I can't pull it back.
Oi.
Pick it up.
Try to stabilize first. Oh.
Go.
Naik atas. Dah masuk. Okay, ready for lift off.
Oh no no no!
Jangan laju sangat kot. Well, the battery died again. How many minutes, more or less?
Maybe more.
5, 6, 10 minutes lah. About there, 10 minutes of play, I think. Lebih kurang. So, I think that's it. It was quite okay, difficult to control. I think kita try lagi some other time. Nak hujan. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay safe.